你好, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. In this video, I provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to write in traditional Chinese characters, and also character decompositions. In each radical series, I'll start with the ones with fewer stroke orders and gradually getting more. There will be 2 characters in each video, and I'll explain them one by one and show you related vocabularies. Chinese characters have their meanings, and when they are combined, it will create another meaning. As a result, I'll present them together. In this video, you'll learn the most commonly used radical, 草, which means grass. I'll also introduce you to how to say and write 茄, eggplant, and 栗, lychees. Besides, please make sure to stay to the end because I'll review my content from previous videos together. A Chinese radical, we call it 部首, is an indexing component in Chinese characters. Radicals relate to the meaning or the sound of the characters, and we look them up in the dictionary. When we equip knowledge of Chinese radicals, it will allow us to understand the Chinese characters easier. The radical 草 is in 3 forms. 草 looks like 2 tridents, and a trident is the weapon of Poseidon, the god of the sea, in classical mythology. When the 2 tridents, 草, is on the top of characters, the shape changes to 2 tiny crosses, 草. 草 and 草 look different, but they are the same 草 and means grass. 草 is also a pictograph. When we write grass in traditional Chinese, we use 草. Okay, without further ado, let's begin with 茄 and 栗. 茄 means eggplant, and there are 2 elements. The upper part, 草, grass, and the lower part, 家. 家 is phonetic of 茄, and 家 means to increase. We often add 子 after 茄 to make it 茄子, and it's still eggplant. The meaning of 子 is a child, especially for a son. We learned 子 in 包子 in the previous 苗 and 包 video. You may memorize them together. 茄 has another pronunciation, and it's 家. 家 is the phonetic of 家. When we want to say a cigar in Mandarin Chinese, we say 雪茄. 雪 means snow. The radical of 雪 is radical 173. 雨 rain. And we learned the same radical in 零 0. Li means lychees, and there are 2 elements. The upper part, 草, grass, and the lower part, 斜. 斜 means united. We don't use 斜 alone. And do you notice that there are 3 li in 鞋? Li means strength or power. So when 3 li are together, it is united. How interesting! When we want to say lychees in Mandarin Chinese, we say 荔枝. Sounds like lychees, right? China is the main producer of lychees, and the English name lychee was actually from Chinese. 枝 means a branch. There are 2 elements in 枝. It's the left part, 木, trees, and the right part, 枝, which is also a branch. The radical of 枝 is radical 75, 木, and it means trees. We learned it from previous videos. 橙 orange, and 棕 brown. They all relate to 木 trees. Let's memorize them together. We learned fruit in 芒 silver grass video, and mango is 芒果. Lychee is 荔枝. Their pronunciations are similar to English, and I believe it will help you memorize them. We have also learned many vegetables so far, and let's review them together. Taro is 芋头. Bitter melon is 苦瓜. Eggplant is 茄子. It might take time to remember them, but I believe you'll make it. Yay! It's the end of this week, and I'm happy we learned new characters and review the old ones together. Let's check them again. They are 茄 li. I believe after some time, you'll do the Chinese character decompositions as natives do. In my next video, I'll introduce you to a worldwide popular drink. And the radical is also 草 grass. Make sure to stay tuned. See you again soon. Bye bye.